All right. Let's look more into the dynamic of holding cost and ordering cost in relation to each other, not like separately, to help you understand like why both are very much related. So let me copy the names and then I'll make the connection. So now the thing is, of course, if you want to minimize the ordering cost, you can have large orders, right? You can place large orders, so you don't have to order again and again and pay the transportation on the inventory. However, if you buy large quantities of inventory, now you have to hold it somewhere, so the holding cost will actually go up. So that means if I'm minimizing this cost, I am actually increasing this cost. And similarly, let's say if I'm saying I want to order like less quantity, so I don't have a lot of holding cost, but then I will have to place in the number of like more orders like every month or every year than normal. So that means if I want to minimize my holding cost, my ordering cost will increase because I will have to place more orders than normal. So that's the problem here. So that's why it's not as easy to calculate as one might think. Okay, I'll just try to look at the point where I'm saving the most money in holding and ordering. So to understand this, like what order we should be placing to minimize the combination of the holding and ordering cost. Please remember, you cannot just think about minimizing the ordering cost or the holding cost. What you have to do is you have to combine both of these costs together and select the order quantity where both of these costs together are the minimum possible. Means that if you add both of these costs together, they are the lowest, right? So we don't want to look at them individually. We want to find the order quantity where the combined cost of ordering and holding for the year will be the least amount possible. So that's where the topic we are about to learn right now will come into play, something called economic order quantity. So this basically is a formula that you can literally just use and it will tell you how much you should reorder to have the least amount of ordering and holding cost combined. It's actually that simple if you just use the formula. But obviously, um, we'll talk about more ideas like what additional things you need to know, reorder levels and safety stock and all those things. But at the moment, I'm going to now copy a formula here because it's the way the formula is written. I cannot write in Excel. You have to give the different. So I have a formula here for you. So just to explain this formula. Now, obviously you have to give this sign and then it's 2 times D. D refers to annual demand, means how much units you need for the whole year, like what's your demand for the full year. And S is the cost per order. So this is good that it already mentions that ordering cost per order. Very important to know. It's not the total ordering cost, it's the ordering cost for every order I'm placing. And divide by H, this is the one that all most of the students get wrong. So H does not mean holding cost for a month or holding cost for like a couple of units. It literally just means holding cost per unit, means for every 1 unit for the whole year. So I can say annual holding cost per unit is called H. It's not the holding cost per month. No, it's the annual holding cost per unit. So that's what the formula is. Literally, if you use the formula, it will tell you how much you should order each time to minimize the ordering and holding cost together. So of course, will solve a question now and I'll show you that it's just very easy to calculate.